Hello and welcome to the Holcroft Nissan YouTube channel. My name's Aaron, and today we've got the first of the model year 22 Leafs coming into our showroom, so we just want to take a look at all the differences from the previous generation. The main difference on the new Leaf is from the front. As you can see, we've got the new design badge, and because of European regulations, this isn't backlit with LED lights, and the camera has just been moved down from where it was just positioned underneath. They've gone away from the V-Motion grille. It's now sort of a black accent all the way around the outside, but if you look very closely, you do get the Kumiko pattern that is coming through on the Aria too, so it'll be part of the EV range moving forward. The flap stays at the front as it was before, and you still get CHAdeMO and Type 2 charging. And then moving down to the side, we've got the all-new alloy wheels. Now these are going to be a little bit of a Marmite design from what we're hearing so far, but for me, I absolutely love them. I think they look great. From the rear, there's some slight changes too. We've got the new Nissan badge, and the Leaf emblem has been finished in like a brushed chrome, which matches this with the new design. In the interior of the boot, you still get both cables as long as you order one from factory, so that is one change to be wary of. And then at the bottom, you can see that this blue bar that used to be on the existing Leaf is now silver, and that is absolutely flat across the range too. On the interior, not a lot has changed. We've got the new badge on the steering wheel here, which is in line with all the exterior, but there are some fundamental changes to the product lineup. So they've changed the battery size amount, not the battery itself, but what is called usable kilowatts. So we've now got a 39 and we've got a 59, and essentially it changes nothing. The battery range is still the same. It's just part of the new regulations with NEDC. And some of the colours. So the Vivid Blue is no longer available, but the car is available in a different blue, which is also in line with the Aria 2, and the ceramic grey, and some other options. But if you want to see a full review of the Tecna without the changes, you can see on our channel here. But otherwise, it's still a fantastic car, one that we love very much, and one that we are very proud to bring through our showrooms.